This wig doesn't have a full hairline, but I bet you can't even tell. Hi everyone, welcome back for today's video. One thing about the closure wig is it's always going to be that wig that you can just put on. If you are a beginner and you don't know how to blend your lace, it gives you less space than the fuller closure wig so that you can learn and practice, and it's more affordable. So today's wig comes from Ronniehair. I will be sure to link it below in the description box. It's just a really pretty style, pre-curled. You do have to cut the lace. It does come with a beautiful hairline. Also going to show you how you can customize it without doing too much, just enough if you want it to look just like this. So let's get right into it and let me show you all the details that you need for this wig. Oh, this is pretty. So we talked about closure wigs last week. This one right here has color option. You can have a little bit of color. Just putting it on my head is fitting very well. This is a 6x6 glueless cap closure. It has a comb in the back. You can also insert. This is what the wig looks like straight out the box. It comes slightly pre-curled, a beautiful wave. It has a highlight like a chocolate brown. Give you just a little bit of color around. You guys can see right there. Really pretty. This is their 180 density. Really comfortable. I barely have done anything to it and it already looks good. The only thing I really need to do is cut the lace. So with their 6x6 closure, this one specifically is made to lay flat so that you will not get any ripples at the hairline once you cut the lace. And you can see right here already, it's laying pretty flat. I did adjust the strap in the back so it can be tight. It does also have the built-in strap too. Now the parting space goes all the way over here, so you can do a side part. Take it all the way back to about right there or a little bit further. You can do a middle part. I love the hairline the way it is straight out the box. This is a gorgeous wig. No complaints out the box, no complaints. It's really pretty. But I do want to show you that you can customize the hairline like you can a 13x6. Now, why would you go with a closure wig over the 13x6? Price wise, closure wigs are more affordable and it's beginner friendly. You don't have too much lace to work with. The hairlines usually come pretty already, so you don't have to do anything, as you can see. But if you wanted to customize your hairline, I'll show you how to do it. Very simple. Now with this wig, you can see that on the sides it still look good. It comes down low enough where the lace stops here and this area still doesn't look weird. They put enough hair there. To create this shaped hairline that I'm about to do, you want to use a razor. This is optional. You don't have to do this if you like the hairline as is. I'm gonna part it, separate this, create like a V right here at the hairline, not taking too much hair. Make it a little bit smaller because I don't want to do too much. I'm gonna take my hot comb and bring this hair forward. Push that back. Take the razor and start removing hairs from this section here. And just pull it down. And then I'm gonna shorten the hairs. And I'm doing this before I cut the lace, just so I can make sure that it's laying where I need it to go. But of course you can do it afterwards. And then again, just thin it out, pull the hairs, and then shorten them. I'm gonna go ahead now and remove the extra lace. I'm gonna take a little bit of hairspray just to separate the edges that I created from the hair. Playing with it, just taking some hair out. And like I said, this whole process is optional. It's all about what you want to do with your wig. Before I go any further with the hairline, I'm gonna go ahead and go down to parting with some concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can find it at any beauty supply, drugstore. It's a really popular brand, so it's not hard to find. I'm also gonna go in the parting with this Ruby Kisses. This is a foundation. It's a number 5. Take my melting spray, add it to my brush, and then I'm just gonna move this down like so. Push this back. Now the one thing I love about using the melting spray for the hairline edges, it also helps to blend that lace. So I'm still glueless, however, just adding the melting spray helps to hide the lace. flatten this down as much as possible. I'm gonna go back with a little bit of melting spray and dab it around this area. The forehead is still blended and laying very flat. There's no ripples. Go in with bronzer. We talked about this in this week's video. Make sure you go check out my previous videos if you are looking for tips, because I have a lot of them. And make sure you hit the thumbs up button too. All right, that was really simple. It's just giving it a little something for me. I like it. Like I said, this is optional. You can wear it straight out the box as is and it still looks really good. But this right here is super pretty. Always remember to cut that lace back, because if you don't, you'll have a little piece at the edge that you can see. Just remember to cut that back. Yeah, this is what it looks like, y'all. I really like this so much. It's pretty. The color, I feel like this is a perfect wig for Easter. It's just giving. So again, this is Ronniehair 6x6 lace closure. I like this. It's so pretty. This is 180% density for them. So if you want to go a bit lower in density, you can. But I think the 180 is very comfortable. And then this is also an 18-inch. Yeah, the 18-inch is very natural looking. I like it. Very pretty. So I will be sure to put this wig below in the description box. Be sure to look down there. And I will see you all back in my next video. Give me a big like.